Okay, here we go. Time for my new ROM for my Touch Pro. iCLone Beta 6. Sorry for the glare. All this stuff was made by me. Boot splash, insignias. This is for the Touch Pro 2, or just the Touch Pro. Trying to get Touch Pro 2, but it's Touch Pro. Loads up in a little bit. And here we go. You got the iPhone interface, where anything you touch will allow you to open up the program from the home screen. Then you have the clock right here, and it gives you updated time, which is 9:45. Got the calendar, which is
message
gives
from
you something.
Molly. Kelly, subject, I want to suck your dick until you cream in my mouth.
And there was the messages. Like whenever you get a text message, it automatically says it instead of like a lame ringtone. So you actually hear your message whenever you get a message instead of having to look at it all the time. And then if you want to look at it, you could always press the message button. You see how there's an icon right there saying that you have a new message, or you could press the top and it will come up with a message screen. You could just dismiss it. And then this is your contacts, and here is your program search. So if you're tired of going to the start menu, which is a 6.5 start menu, and I kind of modded it myself, so you see different things. If you're tired of doing that, you could go to search programs, and it will bring up a list of stuff. So all you have to do is just type in the name of the program, and it will show it. And so you I typed in Adobe, and it came up, or I typed in AD, and it came up with Adobe Reader and Advanced Config. It's kind of hard to see. Sorry about that. It's just my camera. Yeah, so there you go. And then whenever you want to minimize something, all you have to do is press this button. And if you want to bring up the task manager, I modded it so you can press this button. So if I want to minimize it, there, I minimized it. I'm back to the home screen. But you could also see the program right there. So if I want to make another program, or load another program, you see how another icon is in the top tray bar. And then here's a start menu icon. I have two program icons. So if I want to minimize that, I just minimize it by pressing that button. And I can go to another program and USB sharing, and another program allows me to. So I have 3 programs up, and I can switch between them whenever I want. So this gives you a lot of good stuff, and you can open up the task manager. And for those that like torrents, there's a program on here that allows you to use torrents with it. So if I want to minimize all those, go back to the start menu. There you go. And I have Opera Browser 10, Sling Player, all the social networking things that you like. Oh, and I modded it so you press the back button and it brings up the task manager. I'm using Showcase Task Manager. This allows you to pretty much close all of them that you need, or just the ones that you don't want, And so like I'll close Z Launchy, and that closes that. I'll close my PowerPoint, which I opened up, and that closes it. And you see how it changes. Like there's a small amount, and then I close my WN torrent, and it closes that. Pretty much everything you need in a ROM, I have on here. Skype. Here's a good application. It's just similar to the Gunshot app for the iPhone. It's called Shoot Me. Yeah, I don't want you to shoot me, but it's called Shoot Me. So it has a lot of weapons and stuff. So if you want to fight somebody, has clippers, has a lightsaber, and it has a whip, has a shotgun, and it has a Uzi. So I think I like that better. And there's some other stuff you could get, like there's a lot of other stuff you could get, but you have to pay for it. So like the free version is on here. You got Sling Player, you got Pocket Noise, which just like gives you a lot of just various random sounds. So like a doorbell or a desk bell, a gong, doorbell, and some other things. Then I got weather, YouTube, a stopwatch, all the office programs, printer programs, Wi-Fi sharing, configuring everything. Got a translator, and I think this is one of the only ROMs that has Japanese character input. So all you have to do is draw on the character or whatever, and like you can actually type in Japanese on your phone, and it will recognize all the Japanese fonts. So open up the task manager, close the program, and then go back to the thing. So yes, this is running Windows Mobile 6.5, and I'll post a link to the thread for all you Touch Pro users. Oh, and also there's a battery grading right here that shows you how much battery you have. So it's working pretty well, I think. And here is the Rhodium keyboard that you also have, and it's in landscape mode also. So for those who didn't like the Tachi keyboard, this is a good Touch Pro keyboard for you users. So thank you for watching, and see you later.